These cupcakes have a secret waiting inside. Keep watching to find out how to bake a hidden heart into your Valentine's Day cupcakes. It's easier than it looks. Hi, my name's Maria, and I share tips on the art of life, home, health, and style. I do fashion lookbooks, helpful reviews, home decorating, and recipe videos. Make sure to subscribe if you want to be part of the Artsy Cupcake crew. Since we have the added step of putting these sweet hidden hearts inside these cupcakes, I'm going to simplify this recipe by using store-bought cake mix and frosting. I created mine with vanilla cake mix, and I dyed half of the cake mix with red food coloring. But you could create this however you like. You could do chocolate cupcakes and vanilla on the heart in the middle, or you could do strawberry cakes and vanilla hearts in the middle. Just go with whatever your favorite cake is. I used 1 box of cake mix, half for the hearts and half for the cupcake portion. So I'm only making 6 cupcakes today. If you wanted to do a full dozen, then you would need 2 boxes of cake mix. So let me show you the ingredients that you'll need. A box of cake mix. I used vanilla, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 3 whole eggs, 1 1/4 cup of water, red food coloring, store-bought frosting of your choice. I used the leftover cream cheese frosting I had from my Super Bowl cupcakes. Muffin liners. I found these shiny gold ones at Michael's. And a heart-shaped cookie cutter. I found this set of mini cookie cutters at Michael's too. Make sure the height of the heart is no taller than a cupcake liner. You will start by heating the oven to 350 degrees. Line the muffin pan with cupcake liners. Mix the cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in a large bowl with a mixer until well blended. Split the batter into 2 bowls. In 1 bowl, add the food coloring to make it the shade of red that you want for the hearts in the middle of the cupcakes. Pour this onto a flat pan and bake for 20 minutes and let them cool. Then use the cookie cutter to make the hearts for the middle. I was burning myself trying to cut the hearts out because I didn't wait long enough, so make sure to really let these cool down until you start cutting out the hearts. For the cupcakes, fill with half of the batter and then place 1 of the red hearts in the mixture. Push it down so it's as far down as possible because they will rise a little while baking. Cover the tops of the hearts and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. I used a pastry bag to add the frosting, and then for garnish I used raspberries and mint leaves. But you could do whatever you want with sprinkles, or even take 1 of those cupcake hearts and place it on top. I did have some left over of the red cake. So here is the finished product. It's so festive for Valentine's Day, but they would be great on an anniversary or for a party too. If you like this video, please consider subscribing so I'll show up in your YouTube feed. I do 2 new videos a week, so stay tuned for more fun here on Artsy Cupcake. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.